Hello everybody. I have two Trane Envirowise filter boxes and I hate them basically because they use oddball filter sizes, number one, and number two, those replacement filters are ridiculously priced. But this video is to clarify some dimensional issues for you. If you have this QuikBox filter box, let me tell you what the issue is and how to better understand it. First of all, these QuikBox filters are pretty clever. I'll give them that. They're completely collapsed, so you can ship them in a much smaller cubic space, which reduces your freight costs. I guess really it reduces the manufacturer's freight costs and perhaps the consumer's freight costs. But if you happen to have a box that calls for this filter, an FLRQ B5AH23M11, it's a little bit confusing, and here's why. Here's the actual filter itself. There's the part number AH23M11, and notice the dimensions on it. It says it's 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7. Well, if you go to the shipping box that it comes in, there's the part number again, AH23M11. Look at the size, 22.7 by 20 by 4.7. So which is it? Is it 20.7 or is it 20? Before I give you the answer, notice this chart that one of the filter supply houses has created. And if you look here, there's the 21M11, there's the 23M11. But if you look at all these filters, these are all the QuikBox filters. Notice that 20 inches, 20 inches, 20.7, 20, 20, 19, and 26. So this one right here, that the 23M11, is kind of an oddball in that they're saying one of the dimensions is 20.7. For the 23M11, the correct dimension here is 20 inches, not 20.7. I've measured this actual filter, and it is 22.7 by 20 by 4.7. The reason you might be interested in that is that if you're looking for a replacement, what you'll find is you're not looking for that dimension. If you're looking for an aftermarket filter or another brand filter to get away from $60 filters, you're looking for that dimension, 22.7 by 20 by 4.7. Additionally, you can get a conventional filter construction where the box is completely assembled for actually less than most of these filters go for. You can get a coupon at certain supply houses online. What I think is also interesting is that everybody's printing this wrong dimension on the actual product itself. So on a generic replacement, it'll be marked 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7, but it's actually going to be 20 inches. The actual dimension is going to be 20, not 20.7. So to me, they're copying everything from the original OEM product, including the incorrect dimension. Filter that comes fully assembled, and it's a replacement for the Trane QuikBox. Here's the model we've been talking about. Here says blue is MERV 11, green is MERV 13, so this one is a MERV 11, MERV 11. Dimensions, they have 22.7 by 20.7 by 4.7. Let's measure it. Look at that, 18.7 inch filter, 20.7. So this is, in fact, the correct size, but not the correct marking. And then let's just look at the height of this filter. This filter comes in at around about 4.7, just under 5. Hopefully that gives you a little bit of clarification about the dimensions and will help you if you are trying to identify lower cost alternative filters that, besides being lower cost, don't require you to assemble them. This is, it's not difficult, but it's not as easy as it should be. And I'm not convinced that it works all that well, sealing around the edges. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.